Okay.
No. Yes.
Hello everyone. So the kids make their own Lego. So they're going to explain what they are kung ano yung ginawa nila. Hirap ang English. So ayan. So first is Mika. So Mika, we're going to explain what you make the Lego. So what is that, Mika?
What I made was a house.
One by one, listen to Mika. Okay, one by one. Oh, first Mika.
So what I have made is a house with a bit of small walls, and then I made a door with a ladybug on it,
Yeah.
and then I got a book to read in.
It's very
And then I
nice.
have a mirror, I have a bunny, and I have a big spoon to eat some food over here.
Wow. So what you call your Lego? What is that? It's like a house with
With
the rabbit.
yeah, and I got money.
And there's some money. It's very nice. Thank you. And there's more?
Huh?
There's more? You can explain.
So I had to make a few walls so that all my things wouldn't just pop out of my house.
Ah, it's very nice. So nice. So
My house is called the short house.
short house. Okay. Thank you. It's very nice. So nice. And there's a rabbit and everything. Thank you, Mika. So next is Samuel. You can explain for Danish or English. What do you want to explain?
To you, bunny.
Yeah. Oh, there's a carrot. Samuel, you make 3.
Yes.
Yeah. And what is?
I make more than 3.
Yeah.
I make an elephant from outer space.
Okay.
A boat.
Can I
with
show you the
apple
alien?
and the box, or the man.
Yeah.
Apple. Can I say
So where there's the apple?
Yes, green. Yeah. And man can take the helmet off.
Yeah.
He bowl.
Okay.
And then are the
You make a
box here
yeah.
for nothing.
It's very nice. And this is your alien from outer space.
And these are a Lego dog.
Yeah. Can I see?
And these are the tail.
Yeah. So nice.
And these are a dead fish.
Is a fish?
It's a dead one.
Dead one?
Yes.
No. Okay.
You
But
made a
why
dead
it's
one.
lying standing?
And a mini boat and a big boat.
Wow. So nice. You make 4 5 Legos.
Yeah.
Thank you, Samuel. Tusintak.
But
Okay.
before I can build this to a bird, but so I'm better have it to an elephant.
No, okay. So you make first dog. Huh?
No, first
Ah,
I make
food.
the dog,
No, okay.
and then the boat, and then this, and then this,
Yeah.
and then this.
So nice. Thank you so much, Samuel. Next is Kuya Yugi, Kuya Justin.
Yes.
So you need to explain. You can explain for Danish or English. And I explain for English so Yugi can understand.
Yes.
English, explain mo yung sa Ilonggo.
Hindi ko ba kung...
Okay, so for Samuel o Kuya Justin o Yugi, they are together. So okay, Justin, you explain first.
So what we built is like an island park where like there's a cart where you can buy like apples or food, and when the apples are ready, somebody takes the apple and put it here,
Yeah.
and then you put the money here and you buy the apple.
Okay, what
And
is
it's
called?
like a shop.
No, it's like a shop.
Like, you're like...
It's very nice.
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain mo sa Ilonggo, Tagalog? Di ka? Hindi ka? O, explain mo sa Norse. Hindi daw siya, no? Si Yugi. Okay.
So first the apple has to be taken and put it down here,
Okay.
and then you put the money there, and then you take the apple.
Okay, so do you have a coconut? Ano siya yung lubi o ano? Ano siya? Sa coconut.
Apple.
Ah, nice. This looks like a cocos.
Apple.
The apple. No, because lubi.
Oh, how's my shovel?
So nice. So it's like a beach shop. Wow, it's very nice also. I all together build a very nice Lego. Thank you so much, Kuya Justin, Kuya Yugi.
Who get the prize?
I will think later so we can show to also Titi Fa or Tita Girlie, Tito Ruga. Okay?
Oh!
Thank you so much everyone for the good activities today. For our Lego
I will
activity.
have the prize.
Thank you.
And Mika.
Say hi.
Mika,
Bye-bye
we
na.
will have
Bye-bye.
the prize.
Bye-bye.
Not just
Sambe.
yung Juki.
Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I get the prize. And Mika.